Hey guys, Lexity here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the best free VPN for iPhone that has an ad blocker with it. So you will actually have to go to another site to download that ad blocker, but this VPN actually works great and it's 100% free. It is ranked 4.6 out of 5 stars and it has 12K ratings, and that's actually a really good rate, and it is ranked 179 in utilities, and this works for iPhone and iPad. So as it says down here, Luna VPN Proxy is the fastest and most secure free VPN app for unlimited private browsing. Luna is the only app that truly compromises connections in your favorite apps and games while cutting down your mobile usage. That means it does not slim down your bandwidth or make your internet slow. And as you guys can see, this is actually updated quite often. Last time it was updated was July 12th of 2019. That was just like a month ago. We've added support for Siri shortcuts. You can now turn on the VPN by talking to Siri. That is great, and that is a huge step to VPNs altogether in apps, is for everything to be optimized for the phones, because I know everybody now is starting to use VPNs with ad blockers because of how YouTube is starting to have like a double-decked ad, and that is just super annoying, or how Hulu has like 80-minute ads. By the way, this ad blocker will work for any one of them, so like Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, all of them like free apps that you play for like a day and then you delete on your phone if you guys are into doing that. Okay, so now I'll show you guys how to install this. Okay, so the way you download it is you go to the App Store and you type in Luna, and this is actually only for iPhone. I'm not 100% sure if you can download it on Android. You might be able to. So you just want to download it and then open it. And as you guys can see, I do have diamond status, but you can just have bronze, the one that you join with for the ad blocker. It doesn't make a difference. All this does is just give you nice new features like choosing the region that you are selected in. I chose New York because it's a little bit closer to me. And then you're able to check like your real-time monitoring, which is great. Then it shows you the system advisory. So it shows you like your iOS version. It tells you that your passcode is okay. And it shows if your battery life is starting to die and if your Touch ID is okay. And it also shows you if your thermal is okay. See, mine is normal. But that's not what you guys came for. You guys came to see how to get ad blocks. So first of all, you just want to go to this site. I will leave this site down in the description below. So all you got to do is just scroll down. You have actually already completed step 1 in this. It's just downloading it. Now you want to complete step 2. It's it. Okay, so you want to download the extension. So just click download. So you just want to do all this right here, and it says we do not collect or save personal data such as phone numbers, emails, text messages, usernames or passwords, bank information, or any other information related like ads and stuff. So it doesn't do personalized ads. It does not give away any of your information, which is great. And then all you gotta do is just click I consent. Now you just want to go to step 2. You just want to click a blocking certificate, and you just want to click allow, and then you'll just click close. Then you want to go to your settings, and then you'll see this little profile downloaded pop up. You just want to click on that, then click install, then enter your password, and then click the install. And you might want to read this. All it just says, it'll have like the authority and all that. Then just click install. Then you have to click install again, and then just click done. And after that, you just want to go back to your Safari browser, and then you need to read step 3. You just need to go to general, and then you need to go to certificate trust settings. Okay, so this is basically what you gotta do. You just gotta exit out of this, then go to your settings, go to general, about, and then you wanna click certificate trust settings. Then click allow, then click continue. And that is it, guys. That's all you guys got to do. And then this will work 100%. This will remove all of the ads from it. And if it does not, make sure to leave a comment down below telling me that it does not work. But it has worked great for me, and I think it'll work great for you. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on the channel. It helps this video get out there to other people, so other people do not have to watch so many ads and get their data stolen. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.